Welcome back, Flare community. What is the Flare network? Well, the Flare network launched in July of 2022. It's a layer 1 smart contracts network which is fast, cheap, and also scalable. What makes Flare so special is the revolutionary protocols which will allow the network to bridge other networks in a way that we have never seen before. Flare will be a community of communities, allowing assets to be brought onto the network in a fully insured, decentralized manner, and essentially unifying liquidity. Stay tuned for more info, and until next time, I'm out. Welcome back, Flare community. What is the FTSO? Well, the FTSO is an acronym for the Flare Time Series Oracle. This on-chain protocol is responsible for outputting decentralized price feeds for numerous integrated assets to be used on the network itself. Price feeds originate from what we call signal providers, and there are currently over 100 signal providers submitting prices to the FTSO every 3 minutes. The FTSO ingests prices, truncates the data by removing the top and bottom 25%, and then calculates a weighted average. This decentralized output can then be considered accurate and is publicly available for all applications on the network. Stay tuned for more info, and until next time, I'm out. Welcome back, Flare community. What is the State Connector? The State Connector is a smart contract which runs on the Songbird and Flare network and is often referred to as the eye in the sky. It has the ability to retrieve off-chain information on demand. The data is gathered from requests to numerous assertion providers which independently fetch the information and relay this back to the State Connector. The State Connector then applies consensus on the replies and produces an agreed upon answer. This information can then be used in confidence by the decentralized application which sent the initial request. Feel free to like the video, and until next time, I'm out. Welcome back, Flare community. What is layer cake? Well, layer cake does sound delicious, but in regards to Flare, it's not edible. It's actually a novel bridging protocol which requires significantly less collateral to be utilized while boasting increased security. Using the State Connector, which comes to consensus over the state of external systems, layer cake is able to bridge at incredible speeds. Not only this, but layer cake provides fully insured bridging and the ability to scale linearly opposed to quadratically. Extremely important attributes for a network which will connect everything. Feel free to like the video, and until next time, I'm out. Welcome back, Flare community. There are 3 different networks associated with Flare: Coston, the test network; Songbird, the canary network; and finally, Flare, the main network. Coston is a testnet in its purest form, an environment for developers to deploy and test applications without any risk, as no value is held on the network and the native asset is free to accumulate. Songbird is a canary network. It holds real value as the native asset started with a defined supply. Songbird is going to be the home of cutting-edge functionality to be tested on the network with real value prior to being deployed to Flare, the hardened main network. Feel free to like the video, and until next time, I'm out.